Welcome back to KK Car Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most stylish and modern 7-seater SUVs of the year, the 2026 Peugeot 5008 Exciting 7. It's bold, futuristic, and ready to redefine what family adventure really means. So buckle up, because this one's not just another SUV, it's an experience. From the very first glance, the 2026 Peugeot 5008 grabs your attention with its sharp design language. At the front, the new frameless grille flows beautifully into those signature claw-style LED headlights, giving the car a wild and confident personality. The LED daytime running lights now extend vertically, just like the ones on the 3008, but with a more muscular presence. The side profile is pure sophistication. Clean body lines, blacked-out pillars, and that floating roof design give it a coupe-like silhouette even though it's a full-size SUV. The new 20-inch alloy wheels complement its bold stance perfectly. Move to the rear, and the story continues with full-width LED taillights, a glossy black strip, and Peugeot's new lion emblem at the center. And yes, it looks especially stunning at night. The lights give it that high-end European glow you usually see on luxury SUVs. Overall, the 5008 doesn't shout for attention. It earns it with elegance, proportion, and pure French flair. Step inside, and you instantly realize Peugeot didn't just design an interior. They crafted an experience. The cabin is modern, comfortable, and packed with smart details everywhere. Right in front of you is the Peugeot i-Cockpit 3D digital cluster, sitting above the compact steering wheel, giving a sporty and futuristic driving feel. At the center, there's a massive 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials are top-notch, soft-touch finishes, ambient LED lighting, and elegant stitching across the dashboard. The front seats are fully adjustable and come with massage and heating functions, while the middle row slides and reclines individually for comfort. And yes, this SUV lives up to its Exciting 7 name, with 3 rows of seats, offering space for up to 7 passengers. The third row can be folded flat to give you a huge cargo area, perfect for road trips or weekend getaways. Even the sound system has been upgraded. A premium focal audio system fills the cabin with crystal-clear sound, making every drive a mini concert. Under the hood, the 2026 5008 Exciting 7 offers multiple powertrain options, including a 1.6-liter turbo hybrid and a fully electric E5008 variant. The hybrid version delivers around 220 horsepower, while the electric one promises up to 550 kilometers of range on a full charge, depending on the trim. Driving dynamics have also improved thanks to Peugeot's latest EMP2 platform, which ensures stability, smooth handling, and comfort, even on rough roads. You also get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera, and Peugeot's latest semi-autonomous driving tech, making it one of the smartest SUVs in its class. So there you have it, the 2026 Peugeot 5008 Exciting 7, a perfect blend of bold design, premium comfort, and intelligent technology. It's not just about carrying 7 people, it's about carrying them in style. If you're looking for an SUV that feels luxurious but still practical, the 5008 might just surprise you. What do you think about this new Peugeot? Would you pick it over rivals like the Hyundai Santa Fe or Kia Sorento? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KK Car Reviews for more exciting car reviews every week. See you in the next one.